Good morning, student. I am Purnima and I welcome you all to my class. Today we are going to complete the lesson. We have already completed the lesson, the fun they had, and we will be discussing that actual question and the important exercises and the additional question from the sample paper, as well as I will be telling you the method how to write the long question answer. Now children, but before that I would like to revise some of the important point of the lesson. So first of all, the fun they had is written by Isaac Asimov. He was a Russian writer, okay, and he was born on January 2, 1920. So he was born on January 2, 1920. Okay, and he was a children very talented person. In fact, he became the professor in the university by the late 1970. He was a writer who used to write science fiction. He was known also for writing the books on astronomy, biology, mathematics, religion and literary biography. So you can see how talented he was. Mostly he has written in all the subjects. At the age of 72, Asimov died in New York City on April 6, 1992. So he died on New York in April 6, 1992 by a heart attack. Okay, now children, when imagine this thing, when he wrote this story, the fun they had, we never thought on a dream also that nowadays we will be having online teaching. He is the person who was born on January 2, 1920 and died in 1992, wrote a chapter, the fun they had, and in this he had imagined that what would be the future educational system. And in this lesson he had described through two brothers and sister. The main character are one brother is there whose name is Tommy and sister is Margie. Tommy is elder brother, 13 years old, and Margie is 11 years old. So through this he is telling the idea, and what idea he is given, this we are following nowadays. He has given for the first time, he told that in future the whole education system will be changed and there will be online teaching. Instead of a human teacher, we will have robotic or a mechanical teacher. At the same time, the children will not go to the school, they will study through internet in their home through desktop or computer or laptop or mobile phone. Well, mobile phone was also not there, but he has used the word desktop. Okay, so his imagination is coming true. Not only that, children, 2 years before lockdown last year, when I was teaching this lesson, I too even did not think in a dream that one day we are going to follow this education system, online teaching. Your examination will be online, your classroom will be virtual classroom, that is only one classroom and only one student sit with the desktop in their home. Okay, and the internet is the main source where you have to access it. So children, we did not even know that this thing will come true one day. So now children, I am going to revise the lesson. In this lesson, what is there? What is the theme of this lesson? The theme of this lesson, the present story, unfold the picture of future school. Now children, already we are doing that. Now the future school of the student is their home itself, and they are doing online teacher. Only we are one step behind it, what the writer has told here, that instead of human being, they will have robotic teacher or mechanical teacher. So this we are one, who know, next year you will be, or 2 years or 5 years after, you will be having your mechanical teacher. But one thing children, that mechanical teacher will only be operated by the human teacher. Okay, so a debate will, I think I think a debate must be there whether computer are the great or the human are the great. Okay, and of course what I feel, we are the great because we are the one who is operating the computer and the system. Alright, so the present story unfold the picture of future school where the mechanical teacher will teach the student and book will be meaningless. No real books will be there. Instead, e-books will be there on computer screen. And nowadays also many students, they are, if they cannot go to the market, they are also having e-books on their desktop or on their screen. Actually, the student will learn only from the e-books, and the class test will be conducted online, which we are having nowadays. So there will be only e-books and class tests will be conducted online. The internet will have wide applications, and the subject like history and geography will be no more difficult for the student. The internet will have wide application, and the subjects like history and geography will be no more difficult for the students. They will get the hard books only kept in the library. Of course, the future school will be quite different from our present school and the old school system. Okay. Well children, nowadays we are having both online and offline classes. Many students are coming to school nowadays also. The old school system had already started. We have started children the last year education system, that is offline education system, once more in our school. So nowadays we are having the mixture of online and offline educational system in our school. Now children, I will be telling you about the introduction. The story deals with a boy. Okay, the name of that boy is Tommy. He is 13 years old and his sister is 11 years old. They both go to the school, but their classroom is virtual. What is a virtual classroom? Virtual classroom is the classroom where they have to study from their home only. Their system is set in one room where only they will be sitting there, nobody else. The computer or the desktop will be there. From there they can see the mechanical teacher, they can see the e-book. No other student, no other family member must be there, and from there they will be doing their online classes and online tests will be conducted to them. So children, Tommy and Margie, they find out something about the school of the past. On 17th May 2021, 157. Remember the date, children. This date is very important. 17th May 2157. This is the year when the writer is writing and telling that we are having this online system will be there. So only we are one step behind. As I told you, we are already having online tests, we are having e-books, we are having online classes. Only thing is we are not having that till now. We are not having any robotic or mechanical teacher. It is we human being. So maybe very soon, whatever the writer has dreamed that would be happening in 17 May 2157, it will be having very soon. His dreams will come very true very soon. So children, Tommy, this is the age, this is the date where he has he had found a book in the attic. Attic is the upper portion of the house, a room in the roof. So he had found a very old book in that from the attic he has brought. That book has become so old that its pages have turned yellow and crinky. Crinky means, I told you yesterday in yesterday video, crinky means wrinkles. Okay, so 17 May 2157 is the day when Tommy has found the real book, and he brings that book and showed to his sister Margie, and he told her that, see, this is the real book. Now children, Marky did not like all that school and studies and all that e-test and all that e-books. So she hate when he tells her that see, this is the real book, when our grandfather used to study in the book in the school. Now she takes a look, the book has turned yellow, okay, and that book was in paper and the letters were still. Tommy and Barky both take a book, both look at the book. Now children, both of them in a very serious manner, they are looking at the book and they find so many things, like in the e-books the letter keeps on moving, okay, when we move the cursor. But here children, the e-book is just the book which they were having, the real book, the letter were still there, that means they were not moving. And at the same time children, the whole book was crinkly and the pages were yellow. The real book, the book is really old and the pages are yellow and crinkly in the year 2157, and kind of books will not exist many more. Now children, here the writer is telling that in this year 17 May or the year, this year 2157, the real book will not exist anymore. Everybody will be studying from online classes will be there. Instead of a real book, which type of book they will be having? They will be having their e-books. Okay. This book type of books will not exist anymore. These TV can contain over 1 million books. That is why Tommy thinks that they are much better than the old school. Now children, now he compared that book with his e-book. So he is thinking that when he opens his desktop or tab or whatever the things that all that thing through which we can do online teaching, okay, he is telling that he can open a lot of books from there, millions of books he can open, and here only one book is there in their hand and the words are not moving. That is the biggest drawback of that book. Now children, then he says that the book is about school. Now he said in this book something is written about a school. Now this word is not liked by Maggie. She hates the word school. But Maggie hates school and she does not understand why someone would write about it. Now children, she is really feeling surprised. She is telling why somebody would, there are so many interesting topics are there in the word. So why everybody is writing on the school only? She is having problems with learning. Now children, she started thinking of, at the same time she started thinking of her school. She tells about her school. Nowadays she is having problem with the geography section, with the geography teacher, and maybe she appeared for online test and she could not get good marks. But that doesn't mean that she was not good in study. She did not get good marks because her children, something went wrong with the screen. Maybe her paper was running very quickly, she was not able to take, or maybe some other problem was there that has not been disclosed in the lesson. But she had problem with her geography teacher, and due to that she was not able to score a better marks. Now she is having problem with learning geography from her mechanical teacher. It is black, large and has screen on it. It teaches the student, gives them exercise and asks them question. Now children, let's see the screen of geography. It is black, large and has screen on it, which teaches the students, gives them exercise and asks them questions also. It works from in a special room in her own house. It can also calculate the marks in no time. Marky hates the slot where she has to insert her homework and the test paper. Now children, it can also do the correction by itself. And Marky children, she hates the slot, she hates the more because she had to insert her homework and the test paper. And children, Her mother called the country inspector. She thought that he would take the teacher to meet the teacher, but it will take some time because she has seen her brother teacher when her history teacher was not working. Her mother had to send that thing to the her mother had said the country inspector was called, and he had taken to mend his history teacher, which took lot of days. So she was happy, very happy that her teacher will also go for mending and she will have a nice time. But unfortunately, he had mended her geography teacher only after an hour. Now children, Tommy's opinion about the book. Now Tommy is sharing his feeling about the book. Okay, which tells about the school the centuries ago. He find that a student in the past had a real man as a teacher who taught the boys and girls. Now first thing he told Margie that it was the real man which was a teacher who used to teach boys and girls. He gave them homework and asked them questions. They had a special building and all children went to school. All of them learned the same thing. Margie opinion about the school. About the old school. Now children, Margie could not understand how a real man could be a teacher, nor could she understand how every student were taught the same thing. Her mother says that education must fit each child's mind, but in her opinion those schools were funny and she wants to read more about them. Now it is time for Margie and Tommy for their school. Margie goes into the schoolroom in her house where the mechanical teacher stands. She is already waiting because the lessons are always at regular hour. She thinks about the school and the fun the student had in them. Now children, she felt boring to again read and go and sit in the same seat where she was all alone with her mechanical teacher. Now children, she started thinking that what a fun it would be when all the other students would have been sitting in one classroom and they must be studying by one teacher. So children, with this all the important point I have discussed, and now I will be discussing the additional question and answer with you. Okay. And first the textual question answer. So how old are Margie and Tommy? So Margie is 11 and Tommy is 13-year-old. What did Margie write in her diary? Margie wrote in her diary, today 17th May 2157, Tommy found a real book. So actually children, this is a diary entry written by Margie, and she is the one who discloses that it is on this day 17/1/2157 Margie had found a real book. Had Margie ever seen a book before? No, Margie had not seen any book before. What things about the book did she find strange? The book had yellow and wrinkled pages, and the letters were not moving. The words of the books were still. They did not move as the words move on the computer screen of the e-books. She found this thing strange. What do you think a telebook is? A telebook is displayed on the television screen and the text of a telebook is similar to a book. Where was Margie's school? Did she have any classmate? Margie's school was near her own bedroom. She did not have any classmate. What subject did Margie and Tommy learn? Margie learned geography and mathematics. Tommy learned history and mathematics. So now children, the question answer which is based on reference to context are the following. Question number 1, I would not throw it away. Who says this word? What does it refer to? What is it being compared with by the speaker? Now children, this is MC type Q type of question. Now remember one thing, whenever you attempt any MCQ type of question like here which I am telling, so please don't write one word. You will only write one word in the question, optional question, or the choice, or when there is a choice. Otherwise, you have to write 1 marks question at least in one sentence. Okay, so don't ever use only one word to write it. Now, so Who does they refer to? So here he will write the full sentence. Student, they refer to the people of the old times. What does regular mean here? Here regular refer to the mechanical teacher they had. What is it contrasted with? It is contrasted with a normal teacher of earlier time who was living human being. Answer each of these questions in a short paragraph. What kind of a teacher did Margie and Tommy have? Margie and Tommy had mechanical teacher. They were taught on computers and television screen. They did not have a living person as a teacher who would teach the different type of students in one classroom. Why did Margie mothers send for the country inspector? Margie mother sent for the country inspector because the mechanical teacher was not functioning efficiently. It had been giving her test after test in geography and she had been doing worse and worse. What did he do? He shot down the mechanical teacher's speed into an average 10-year level. The mechanical teacher's speed was controlled and adjusted according to the IQ level of Margie. Why was Margie doing badly in geography? What did the country inspector do to help her? Margie had been doing badly in geography. This was because the mechanical teacher was very fast in displaying the questionnaire. The country inspector adjusted the speed up to an average of a 10-year-old child. Then thus the mechanical teacher's speed was controlled appropriately. The country inspector assured that the overall pattern of Margie's progress was quite satisfactory. What had once happened to Tommy's teacher? Tommy teacher was taken away for nearly a month because the history sector had blanked out completely. It had blanked out completely. So Tommy had nothing to do during that period. He only relaxed and enjoyed. Did Margie have regular days and hours for school? If so, why? Yes, Margie had regular days and hours for school because her mother said little girls learn better if they learn at regular hour. How does Tommy describe the old kind of school? So, Tommy says that the old school were different. They had a special building and all the kids went there to study. They laughed and shouted in the schoolyard. They enjoyed time together and learned lessons together in a classroom. How does he describe the old type of teacher, old kind of teacher? He says that the old teacher did not live in the house. They had a special building and all the kids went there. They gave homework to a student. They used to teach the student. They were not mechanical teacher but living human beings. Okay. So children, this is all. Now we are having some long question answer in the text only. Okay, it is a textual question answer also. So my dear student, first of all children, let me give you some tips about the long question and answer. Whenever we write long question and answer, we have to see few things, that your question answer should come in 2 to 3 paragraphs. There should be no scribbling, no cutting, no overwriting of the word, and all the 3 paragraphs, the points should be there in sequence. If you will write the points and if you will not write the point in sequence, so children, no value of that question. You will get, surely you will going to get very less marks. So children, and don't commit any grammatical error. Try to write the answer in brief and in simple English and may frame small sentences. So children, this is some of the useful tips of long question and answer. See which paragraph should be that paragraph, not only your sentences, but the paragraph should also be in the sequence. Alright, and you have to adhere to the word limits. So you have to see generally your long question is of 150 to 200 words and you have to follow that. Okay, that word limit should be written in the question paper also. So children, here question number 4, 3 long questions are there. First question is, what are the main features of the mechanical teacher and the school rooms that Margie and Tommy have in the story? Okay, so Margie and Tommy have mechanical teachers. They need not go to school for getting formal education. The mechanical teacher is placed in one of the rooms of the house, and they can get the knowledge of various subjects individually from the mechanical teacher. They don't have such classroom where student sits together. They study from the telebook, so they don't require books and exercise books. They do homework in a different way. Margie has to write them out in a punch code. She learned it when she was 6 years old. So the system of their education is technologically advanced and not based on printed books. Now question number 2, children. Why did Margie hate school? Why did she think the old school kind of school must have been fun? So Margie hated her school because she had a mechanical teacher. It was in her house. She was supposed to sit in that room alone to complete her homework or assignment. The part which Margie hated most was the slot where she had to put her homework and assignment and test paper. She thought that the old school must have been fun because the students used to sit together in the classroom. They enjoyed, laughed and shouted in the school yard. Children needed company to enhance their skill. If they are isolated, they get depressed and dejected. Now, children, one more question. Do you agree with Margie that school today are more fun about the school in the story? Give us the reason for your answer. So there is no doubt that today's school are more funny. I mean, I am talking about children offline school. Students are coming in this cold season in the school to attempt their examination and for their studies. So student, we have done almost all the important question, long question, short question, textual question, MCQ questions. Okay, now one more things come in the long question, and that is characteristic. So here the characters are not very important, only 2 characters are being given here, and that is Tommy and Margie. Of course, they are the main important characters. So children, you can tell if the character of Tommy will come, then we can write so many things. Okay, this is also in a long question. So you have to write the characters or character sketch of Tommy. So first we have to find it out the positive form, that he was very active. He went to the attic to find out a book. He was a affectionate brother. He used to share each and everything with his sister. He bought the book immediately and showed it to her sister. So this proved that he loves his sister very much and he wanted to share each and everything with her. Then he was very active boy, and he was a very curious boy. He was curious to know about that book. He started reading the book, and then he started immediately finding out the difference between the e-books and the real book. Like in e-books, we are having words are moving, different millions of e-book can come in the computer screen, and words are moving. Okay, with all the font size can be changed, and the pictures can get bigger or smaller. Okay, so but that book, it becomes very yellowish because it is very old and the papers are crinkly. Then children, words are not moving, words are still there. So Tommy, he feels he is hyperactive. He feels that the book is in the book the school is described. He even go to the extent to read at what is there in the book. So just because of his curious nature, he is doing all that thing. Then third, he was an obedient boy with a discipline. He used to attend his class regularly. Whenever his mother has to call Margie, but he also used to be regular in his class, and he was a child with full of discipline. Then children, you can write among other characters of Tommy that he was a sincere boy. Okay, whatever he used to do with sincerity, and you can children mention one or two examples, like he started reading the book very sincerely. He was finding about the books, about the real books, and about the real school. And he was the boy who knew a lot of things about school. He shared his feeling with his sister. Then he was a person with a tempting nature. He was tempted with the book of ethic. He went, took a pen, went there, find out the book, read, showed that book to his sister. Okay, and children not only showed but discuss what is there in the book. So children, you can see how curious he was. A active boy, he was a curious boy. He was having a lot of concern for his sister. He was excited, honest boy. Whatever he had to say, he used to say. He was a frank nature. Whatever came to his mind, he dad disclosed with his sister. So children, in this way we can have to write the characteristic. Then contrast can come, children. What is the nature between what is the nature of Tommy and Marky? So definitely children, her sister, Tommy's sister, was much eager. She could not wait for nothing, and she was not as much as serious as Tommy. She, whatever comes to her mind, she used to speak in a very frank manner. Like in the about the school, she told, when Tommy told that in the book something is written about a school, so she told in a very straightforward manner that why people write about a school, because she was the one who did not like the school. She told why people are liking about a school, why they are not writing about any other interesting topic. So she was very frank. Whatever she did not like it, she used to tell that thing to everybody. So children, with this type of nature, we can compare Tommy, and then you can also tell that her brother used to like to go to school and study, but she was not like her brother. She never used to like to go to a school and study. So a lot of things we can see on the basis of reading the chapter. We can differentiate between Tommy and Marky. So children, we have done all type of question I've shared with you. Okay, and try to, in the MCQ question, see if optional question is there, then you write only one word. But if a one number question is there, so you have to write the question in one sentence also. So this all you have to see. Your grammatical mistake should not be there, spelling mistake should not be there. So all these things you have to see while writing the question and answer. So with this children, I conclude my video here. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.